Lieutenant General Taib Sakir Abdullah Al Nuaimi, Chief of Staff, Bahrain Defence Force, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, during his visit to Air Headquarters, Islamabad. The meeting focused on key areas of mutual interest and exploring avenues of enhanced cooperation between the two countries. Both sides reaffirmed their commitment to sustained military-to-military engagement, emphasizing joint training and collective growth as a unified team. Upon his arrival, a smartly turned-out contingent of Pakistan Air Force presented Guard of Honour to Lieutenant General Taib Sakir Abdullah Al Nuaimi. The Air Chief extended a gracious welcome to the distinguished guests, highlighting that Pakistan and Bahrain enjoy deep-rooted religious and historic bonds, which are reflected in the exemplary military-to-military relationships between the two countries. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff reiterated his resolve to further expand the bilateral military cooperation, particularly in the domains of joint training and knowledge-sharing initiatives. He further emphasized that Pakistan deeply values its strong diplomatic and defense ties with Bahrain, which are firmly anchored in shared commitment of both the countries on regional peace, security and stability. The visiting dignitary lauded the professionalism of PF personnel and commended the remarkable strides made by Pakistan Air Force, particularly in indigenization and technological advancement, underscoring the significance of knowledge sharing in multi-domain operations to augment the operational readiness of Bahrain Air Force. He conveyed his earnest desire to gain deeper insight into PF's complete methodology of multi-domain warfare, with the aim of learning from its rich operational experience. The visiting dignitary also expressed interest in initiating joint training programs for Bahraini pilots and engineers at all levels. Chief of Staff, Bahrain Defence Force, was highly appreciative of Pakistan's indigenization efforts and particularly commended the role of National Aerospace Science and Technology Park in spearheading innovation and building advanced indigenous capabilities. Later, the dignitary visited National ISR and Integrated Air Operations Centre and PF Cyber Command, where he was briefed on the operational capabilities of Pakistan Air Force. This meeting between Chief of the Air Staff and Chief of Staff, Bahrain Defence Force, signifies a resolute commitment of both countries to reinforce military partnership, fostering collaboration and promoting robust relations.